Hi everyone, this is Bill with Titletown Drones, and this is the tactical light kit for the DJI Avata 2 drone. This is a very simple design that straps onto the drone with one simple strap down the center. It's very solid and stable. The tactical light kit has two lights on it that have forward-looking and downward-looking light. So you actually have a total of 4 lights embedded into this light system. The forward-looking lights provide the drone pilot the ability to see what is in front of the drone, and the downward-looking lights provide light so that the optical sensors on the bottom of the drone can detect the surface below and then provide stability for the drone so that it can be operated in an indoor environment. It's very simple to operate. You simply press the buttons on the side just to light up the lights, and then you can go from there. So this is the tactical light kit for the DJI Avata 2 drone. It's available on my website at TitletowndRones.com. Thanks for watching.